AI Stocks Made Simple by David L. Wadley, a multi-part investing series. Chapter 7. Simple Beginner Strategies. Strategies are the rules you follow when investing. They help remove emotion, prevent panic, and keep you on track. 1. Why you need a strategy. Without a strategy, beginners often 1. Make emotional decisions. 2. Panic when prices drop. 3. Buy random stocks. 4. Chase hype instead of logic. A strategy keeps you calm and focused. 2. Strategy number 1. Buy and hold. Buy strong companies and hold them for months or years. Why it works. 1. Good companies usually grow over time. 2. You avoid stress from daily price swings. 3. You pay fewer taxes due to long-term gains. 4. You let time do most of the work. This is the foundation of long-term investing. 3. Strategy number 2. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest small amounts on a regular schedule. $10 per week, $20 per month, $5 every Friday. Benefits. 1. You buy at different prices, reducing risk. 2. You avoid trying to time the market. 3. You build a steady habit. 4. Strategy number 3. Keep your portfolio small at first. Start with 2 to 3 companies. This helps you. 1. Focus on learning. 2. Reduce confusion. 3. Understand each company better. You can add more as your confidence grows. 5. Strategy number 4. Ignore noise and hype. Finance is filled with, buy this now. This stock will explode. Guaranteed gains. Ignore it. Strong companies do not need hype. They grow because people use their products. 6. Strategy number 5. Stay calm during price movement. Prices move every second. That is normal. Emotional reaction. Price drops, panic, sell. Price rises, excitement, overbuy. Smart reaction. Stay calm. Think long-term. Stick to your strategy. 7. Strategy number 6. Learn a little each week. You do not have to learn everything at once. Try this. 1. Each week, read about one new company. 2. Each month, add a small amount of money. 3. Each year, review your progress. Small, steady learning beats rushing. 8. Strategy number 7. Focus on strong AI sectors. Safer sectors for beginners include 1. Chips. 2. Cloud computing. 3. Software. 4. Data security. 5. Industrial robotics. These sectors have long-term demand. Mini summary. Chapter 7. 1. Buy and hold strong companies. 2. Invest regularly. 3. Keep your portfolio small. 4. Ignore hype. 5. Stay calm and patient. Now that you understand some simple beginner strategies, the next step is knowing what to avoid. Up next in this series, in the next video, Chapter 8, Mistakes to Avoid. AI Stocks Made Simple. Continue to the next chapter.